So yeah, I saw this game from an ad. Like I probably saw it too, but yeah, it's called Soda Legend, and I about fuck this boys, bro. I've actually played some of it, like when I was recording, but the recording crashed, and yeah, that was really frustrating as fuck. Not gonna lie, but I mean we're chill. Let's move on. Let's just move on with it now. Yeah, so I think I'm at departure now, and this is what this is the things that I have, the items and stuff. So it's basically an auto battler thing, one of those games, but it's actually really cute. It's a really cute one, you know. So yeah, let's do it. So I have to clear 1-9 to unlock promotion. So let's go. And we got water golem, an imp, and shadow demon, which is all water type. And in the game, it suggests that use wind type elements to defeat these monsters. So that's what you're gonna do. It's like Pokemon, you know. Nah, I don't want that. Let's use whirlwind. Yep, we got wind skill. So yeah, I was covering everything about basically anything I want to talk about, but yeah, Crash is frustrating. I guess I just do judgment. So anyways, how you guys doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day, you know. My language is really English is really my native language, so I hope you guys still understand what I'm saying. I mean, I think you can, but I'm not a really good English speaker myself, so yeah. Oh, we got a damage boost. But yeah, about that thing, so just lacking bingo. So every time like I clear a stage, I get one of these. So like if the stars thing align like either horizontally or vertically, not diagonal. I don't know why is it not diagonally, but oh well. I get a free skill. So like this one. So I'll choose Shockwave, I guess. Just like that. It's a really good mechanic. And also the girl, you know. Let the girl fight though. It's so cute. Anyway, that's about it. So it's another battle. It's another battler. Yeah, look, Wind Slash. So yeah, it's an auto battler and it's you just have to go playing stuff, you know. Full damage boost. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, almost the boss fight. And yeah, I don't know if you guys watched the fight, but Conor McGregor was like, he was not in his prime anymore, bro. He should just drop the gloves down. But in my opinion, anyway, that was a really quick game from him. Like the injury was really shit. Like why would you even fight if you're injured like that, you know? Or I think it was like a wrong step on the foot because of that kick. I don't know, bro. Oh yeah, you beat the boss. And look at the art, bro. So cute. Also, the Paddy Pimblet, the fight with Paddy, that was really like a really massive mistake from the opponent. I know who the opponent is, but I don't really watch the UFC like that really. But I only watch when there's like popular. Bruh, I accidentally clicked the ads. My bad. So yeah, we can now unlock the promotion. New new enemies. We got Water Spirit and Spear Demon, which is both water, so wind will also do great here. So yeah, I'm actually like a student. I'm a year left before going to college, so it's just really a real struggle, you know. and I haven't even like review with my. I haven't even studied for like entrance exams and stuff like that. I need to I need to work on that. So yeah, and making content, like content is fun. Like I've been dreaming about making content like every single day, but I'm just too shy to make a move. So, but like now, like I want to like make a risk. I want to pursue this content creation thing. I want this to be my thing. Because I don't really see any future jobs and stuff like that. I mean, like, yeah, sure, I get paid, but it's not fun. I want to have a really fun life. Yeah, it's really like, what's this? Random option. When acquiring new skill, has a 50% chance to acquire an extra random option for a skill. Oh, that's good. So here and here, no, that's unfortunate. So yeah, but I'm, I'm dropping, like, I'm dropping school, but like, I want to focus my content creation rather than school. Not in a way that I'm just throwing all my studies out of the window. No, not like that. But like I love it. Like I love making content. Like then I like talking with you guys. I like talking with people. Like I like expressing. I like talking. It's a weird. It's really weird. I mean, I'm not really good at talking anyway. But yeah. Oh, I get another one. Divine Burst. Yeah. So like this is why I want to make content. Like even if it's not really good content and it's not a really good thing, like I just want to you know I just want to talk with y'all. So like if you're watching this, like drop you can drop like any topic. I want to speak with my not about myself but like with you guys. And oh, I got bingo. So do this. Nope. This. Oh, that's unfortunate. Maybe this another that's okay. In this life we would even one. I think I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I had 20 HP though. Yeah, that's easy fam. Yep, GG's. So yeah, if you have any games to recommend or like any topics you want me to talk about, even though I'm really good with speaking English because this is not my native language, it's not what I speak every day. It's not my language that I speak every day. So yeah, you can drop it on comments, and if you want more videos, you can hit the subscribe button to help me out, to keep me motivated, and no suggestions in the comments. Oh, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Subscribe to me on YouTube, yeah? Bam. Yeah, so I probably keep on playing this promotion. What's this? Check the conditions and promote here. It's tough, but you'll experience explosive growth. Take your time and look around. I think I can promote, right? Yep. Ability unlock. Shuffle count. Not owned. Max shuffle count for skill choices increases by 1. Free shuffle. Free shuffle count for skill choices increases by 1. Okay. I think I can promote. Yep, I can. Bam. Level up. Yep, I can do 20. Yeah, I'm level 19. Yeah, I think I'll stop here for now. Yeah, if you want to see more of this gameplay or like want me to talk, we can do that. And you can comment down below if you want me to make more videos. To keep you motivated, you can subscribe and stuff. Yeah, because I really like talking to people, not gonna lie. Especially like internationally, like all over the world. So yeah, if you have any topics to talk about and stuff like that, you know, we can talk about it here. And yeah, Goodbye. Zoom on the thing. Zoom on the thing, bro. Zoom the running guard, bro. So cute, bro.